Hey guys, welcome to Program Factory. In this video, I'm gonna write a little program to calculate factorial of a given number. Factorial of a number is the product of all the whole numbers except 0 that are less than or equal to that number. For example, to find the factorial of a 7, you would multiply together all the whole numbers except 0 that are less than or equal to 7. First, I am assigning variable called num to take input from the user. In case if you are using Python 3, by default the input function will read the input as string. So I use the int function to convert as integer value. And again I define another variable called factorial which will hold the final result, and I initialize this factorial variable by giving 1. In the next step, using if condition, I check the number. If it is lesser than 0, then I will print the message as factorial doesn't exist. If it is equals to 0, then I will print the factorial as 1. In the other case, if it is greater than 1, then it will enter into the for loop. In the for loop, I give 1 comma num plus 1 in the range function. Range function is nothing but it will define how many times this for loop needs to be executed. As I told you before, factorial will hold the final value. So here I am assigning factorial is equal to factorial into I. It will start iterated and multiply until with a given number. Finally, I am going to run the program. I am giving here the input as 5 and I am getting the output value as 120. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, comment and like.